Today I am reviewing the eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Keeping your home clean can take a lot of time and effort, especially when you have a busy schedule, pets, or a large living space. Robot vacuums have become increasingly popular because they automate the cleaning process, but not all of them deliver the same level of performance or convenience. The eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is designed to take smart cleaning to the next level by combining powerful suction, advanced mopping technology, and a fully automated cleaning station. One of the most impressive aspects of the eufy X10 Pro Omni is its all-in-one hands-free cleaning station. This base station doesn't just recharge the robot, it manages several tasks automatically. After each cleaning session, the robot returns to the station where the mop pads are washed with fresh water and dried with heated air at about 45 degrees Celsius. This keeps the mops hygienic and ready for the next cleaning cycle. The station also features a 2.5-liter dust bag, which typically only needs to be replaced about every 2 months depending on usage. Additionally, the 3-liter clean water tank allows the robot to mop large spaces, even up to around 2,000 square feet, without constant refilling. For people who want a nearly maintenance-free cleaning solution, this level of automation is a huge advantage. When it comes to cleaning performance, the X10 Pro Omni truly stands out with its powerful 8,000 Pascal suction power. This level of suction is strong enough to lift dust, dirt, crumbs, and even deeply embedded debris from carpets and hard floors. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust, pet hair, or tracked-in dirt from shoes, the vacuum is capable of removing it efficiently in a single pass. This makes it especially useful for homes with pets or high-traffic areas where dirt tends to accumulate quickly. In addition to vacuuming, the X10 Pro Omni includes dual mopping pads powered by MopMaster 2.0 technology. These rotating mops actively scrub floors rather than simply dragging a damp cloth across the surface. This method is much more effective at removing sticky residue, dried spills, and everyday grime from tile, laminate, or hardwood floors. The system also features a 12mm automatic mop lift, which means the mops will lift up when the robot detects carpet. This prevents carpets from getting wet and allows the robot to seamlessly transition between hard floors and rugs. Another area where this robot vacuum excels is smart navigation and obstacle detection. The X10 Pro Omni uses iPath laser navigation to map your home accurately and create efficient cleaning routes. This ensures that the robot covers every part of the floor without randomly wandering or missing spots. Combined with this navigation system is AI.Map smart obstacle avoidance, which can detect and identify more than 100 different objects. From cables and shoes to toys and small obstacles, the robot can navigate around them without getting stuck or causing damage. Customization is also a big part of the experience. Through the companion mobile app, users can access AI.Map 3.0 features that allow them to control exactly how the robot cleans their home. You can create virtual boundaries or no-go zones, schedule cleaning for specific rooms, and adjust cleaning intensity depending on the surface. For example, you might want a robot to clean the kitchen more frequently than other areas or avoid a certain space where pets sleep. This level of control helps tailor the cleaning routine to match your lifestyle. Pet owners will also appreciate the Pro-Detangling Roller Brush included in the X10 Pro Omni. Hair tangling around brushes is a common issue with robot vacuums, especially in homes with long hair or shedding pets. The detangling design helps remove hair buildup automatically, keeping the brush working efficiently and reducing maintenance for the user. Another strength of the eufy X10 Pro Omni is its ability to operate quietly and intelligently throughout the day or night. Because of its smart sensors and obstacle detection, it can clean confidently even in low-light environments. You can schedule the robot to clean while you're away at work or even while you sleep, and it will navigate the home without disturbing your routine. The robot operates through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to manage cleaning sessions through the mobile app from anywhere. Whether you want to start a cleaning cycle, check progress, or schedule future sessions, the app provides a simple and intuitive interface for controlling the device. In everyday use, the X10 Pro Omni proves to be more than just a vacuum. It becomes a complete automated floor care system. With powerful suction, intelligent navigation, effective mopping, and a base station that handles cleaning, drying, emptying, and refilling tasks automatically, it significantly reduces the time and effort required to keep your home clean. Overall, the eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop combo is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a premium robotic cleaning solution. Its combination of 8,000 Pascal suction, advanced mopping technology, AI obstacle detection, self-cleaning station, and smart home mapping makes it one of the most capable robot vacuums available today. If you're looking for a device that can handle daily cleaning while requiring minimal maintenance, the X10 Pro Omni offers a powerful, intelligent, and convenient way to keep your floors spotless with almost no effort.